Hello everyone, I am Sapna from Masterclass IELTS. As you know, I come up with various videos which are on IELTS exam, the tips, the strategies, the hacks and the questions. Also, I have uploaded various videos on prediction which have come up very true, the exact ones. So this time, this video will about January exam dates. Everybody knows that what kind of what are the dates actually, what are the different dates of January 2021. So let's have a look. कौन सी डेट्स आपको बुक करनी चाहिए, कौन सी डेट को एग्जाम इजी हो सकता है, एंड ऑल दीज डेट्स आर प्रिडिक्टेड, analyzed on the basis of the previous exam papers, the test papers, like 5th, 12th, 19th December, and also the previous 2-3 months exams, what kind and what style of paper it was, and based on that the next exam dates are chosen, and the criteria, whether it is going to be difficult, moderate or easy or complicated, these types are discussed, and on the basis of that I have come with various dates. आपको कौन सी डेट बुक करनी चाहिए? So if you want to know कौन सी डेट को एग्जाम इजी हो सकता है, you must watch this full video. So let's have a look. Okay, the first date that we have in January is 9th January, जो academic है और academic students इस दिन exam दे सकते हैं, which is going to be harder. So the students, those who are thinking, who are choosing this video, and you who are actually thinking of sitting IELTS on 9th January must think of this date, because it is academics first of all, and secondly it is hard. You have to work very hard for that. The next date is 16 January, which is academic and general. So जिस दिन academic और general का exam होता है, everybody knows that उस दिन listening जो होती है वो collective होती है, दोनों की एक जैसी होती है, same ही होती है rather, और इसलिए the exam, the listening is quite easier as compared to the academic one. Overall जो आपका exam होगा 16 January को, that will be moderate. On 21st January को we have academic and general again, and it is going to be very easy. तो आप अगर students हो, those who want to appear IELTS, those who want to crack IELTS, they can go for this one, go for this easy date, that is 21, because उस दिन exam easy आ सकता है. And the last one is 23rd January. Again it is academic and it is going to be moderate one, not complicated, not the harder one, but yes, it is going to be a very moderate. So make sure students that if you want to crack IELTS and you want to sit for IELTS this time in January, those who are planning to go to their preferred countries, their desired countries, they must think of the dates first. And if you want to know what kind of topics gonna come in IELTS in these dates, so you have to watch my another videos on the prediction of various dates which are shown here. So all the best guys, work hard, do well, and if you want to know anything related to IELTS, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is given on the description box. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can join my WhatsApp groups, which are free of cost, and those are for the vocabulary and the material related to IELTS. Last but not the least, you can contact me for online classes. The batch system is given there. Flexible timings plus individual attention is also given. Make sure you work hard. Take care. Bye-bye.